Another DIY patch panel antenna. New process. I used wire as my conductors in between instead of etching. I used thin one-strand wire out of a multiple strand piece, and I put packing tape in between each layer so they're not crossing and grounding out. They're all feeding into the same center element here. I used a recycled thin coax that was off of probably an IPX attachment that was on one of the satellite dishes or something. But this will sit on the front of the ground station case, so that I'll have a little patch antenna as well as the 2.4 transmitting. But I will have some separation on them. This is how I made this one. I cut 17 by 17 millimeter squares, which is roughly 16.8, roughly the 5.8 frequency, and then I glued them to the foam here, and then I soldered the ground on the back reflector plate here, which is the same thickness, and then this is the thin PCB board. This isn't the thick clad, so easier to cut, and I could actually use scissors, very sharp scissors, to cut this, so I was able to cut my squares very accurately. So there you go, that's a small patch antenna. It's very simple to make and will increase your video signal tremendously over a cloverleaf, even at distance. So this will be either for the Quanum goggles, and I'll figure out a way to mount it on top of the goggles like this on an angle, or I'll put it in the ground station and use it as a backup antenna. So there you go. Have a good day, guys. See ya. And there it is, installed on the Quanums. Little Velcro strap. Had really good reception out front through the walls, so I'm pretty sure that's going to work quite well. I'll try it out tomorrow morning or Saturday morning after work. So there's a Quanum V2s with the monitor on the outside, as I said before, to give me a little bit more focus. I might have to glue this or cut these straps to allow for a better fit, but I would probably want to sew Velcro on the side here to Velcro onto the styrofoam, and that would hold the headset fully pushed forward, as it should be like that. Could also put pins in, I guess, but pins would probably bend after a while of storage and stuff. So this way it's still removable, but definitely a huge improvement having it on the outside of the back here. There you go, there's my 6-element patch panel antenna for my Quanum V2 or any other receiver I might use. And a bit slippery, this neoprene, but still great set of goggles. I'm actually enjoying these more than the Fast Shark Predator or base SDs, which are pretty good resolution with 30-degree field of view, I think, or 35, I'm not sure, but this is just a whole different ball game, and pretty happy with that. So that's why I went to the effort to make this today. Anyways, back inside, reinforce the back a little bit. Gonna make it a little bit stronger on this element, maybe seal it in with some glue stick, and go fly it.